a Trivisa knife right here. We've checked out quite a few Trivisa knives in the channel before. They make some good budget knives and also some premium knives. It looks like we're going to be checking out the Dragonfly right here. 14C 28N steel. Green micarta handle on this one. I want to say we have checked out the Dragonfly before. So it looks like we have a different variant. The Lacerda is actually a pretty cool knife from Trivisa. If you haven't already, check it out. It was designed. I got a chance to check this one out here recently. It is their sticker knife. And yeah, that's a pretty little naughty geometry on that blade for mostly self-defense. So check it out if you haven't already. We got a wiping cloth, we got some paperwork, and here is the Dragonfly. It's going to be a little bit of a smaller EDC, right? We got the green G10 here with recessed liners, deep pocket carry clip that's reversible on the other side with a filler tab, lanyard solution back there with a matching micarta back spacer, and it's going to be a crossbar lock with some green matching thumb studs, and bam, right? Check out the geometry, beautiful drop point blade with some jimping here, flat grind. 14C 28N steel, everyone's favorite budget steel these days. Gotta absolutely love it. The action here is pretty sweet, if I recall correctly. Oh yeah, ball bearings, right? Very nice and awesome action there. Thumb deployment is sweet. Reverse flick, it's also very nice. I want to say the variant we checked out some time ago was micarta in bronze. So this is another cool variant here with the blacked out pocket clip and hardware, crossbar, pivot, everything matching the blade itself. So that's really, really solid. I'm able to get a full 4-finger grip. No finger choil situation, but you can, right? Very intentionally and carefully. Forward choke a tad bit if you wanted to. That's not bad there. Very comfortable ergos. I feel the pocket clip a tad bit. I'm going to go a solid 9 out of 10. And overall, I mean, it could be a nice little secondary knife, or it could be your primary, depending on what you got going on. If you have specific laws that limit you from a specific knife length, right, this is definitely one to consider. Obviously, check your local laws, know exactly what you can and cannot carry on your person. We have some milling on the inside for weight reduction, so if you're doing a bug out bag or going camping or something and weight is a factor, definitely a good contender for that as well. So the Trivisa Butterfly, looking good. Nice little recommendable budget EDC knife. Good size, good action, good steel. Overall, excellent implementation. We've checked it out before, and it has not disappointed here in the channel. Check out the full overview on it if you haven't already.